This video is about Instant House by Smart House. Another option if you want to live here in the Philippines is just to rent the land, and you can buy a smart house by what are you looking at here, 18 square meter small house that is movable and you don't need a building permit. Then you will only have to rent the land, and this one at the price of 180,000 base price, you will end up with a house plus a toilet if you want to for additional 30,000 pesos. So this is the area we're talking about for an instant house, that you only have to provide the plot of land where you can install this one. Then it's ready for your smart house to put in. And if you want the toilet to go with it, all of this that you see, shower, lavatory, and bog, is included with a 30,000 price additional for you to have a small bathroom shower inside your instant house, even the tiling there. So look at the sizes of this house. Is 18 square meter in total, and also it is viable for you to have a 2-story. You buy another house which is another 180,000 basic on top, then you'll have just a stairs on the side. And look at the design on this one on the picture. That's 2 units of this instant house, and they just provide a staircase on the side and then a little roofing for a patio, or like a balcony, on the front. So this is the instant house. That another options for expat that coming here and they don't want to rent a house, but another option is to rent a land and put your smart house, especially the one that's really thinking of having a farm. Because I know you like your luxury. It's like a small studio condominium. You can also have partition here. You can have your own partition where you can put a little lounge or a working area for your computers and office needs, and that little toilet on the side. So Smart House now is available in Manila, Cebu, Iloilo, and Davao. You can even go to their www.smarthouseprepab.com.ph for customized villas, luxury container houses, flat pack container houses, which is what we are here right now, and prefab designer houses. It also includes 2 windows and a door. And the electric connection is already ready. Dong ready na ng electric connection niya, ug mo palit. Mo connect na lang ta. Nanay breaker tanan. So that one you're looking at, there's a breaker and the electric connection from the mains or whatever electric source you can get. Like you can be connecting in some other houses upon your agreement. But the smart house is an instant house that is now becoming popular here in the Philippines. Look at this one. This is the available sizes. That's 2.4 by 6 meters and 3 by 6 meters, which is what we are now. Is this the 18 square meter instant house? And this also have another one called flat pack container houses. This is 6 meters by 2.438 meters, and width is 2.5. So this is a different size again, and also the foldable container house. It's 5.8 meters by 2.5 meters, and the height is 2.4. So that's the sizes that you're looking at.
Ganda naman ng video mo, ma'am.
Yes. So this instant house, the base price is 195,000, including the installation. And if you want a CR inside the 18 square meters, which is 6 meters by 3, which is what we're looking at, the size here now, with 2 windows and a door, with the ready electric connection, that will cost you 195,000 pesos only, and we can just rent the land where we put this. So this is one option that you can go and do in the Philippines. Instead of renting a house, you find the appropriate lot that you need. Yeah, you can also go for second floor, even third floor on this smart house, because you know that the frame is a solid metal frame, like like in a container vans, so it can accommodate 2 or 3 stories. And this is, like I said, another fast house option. Instead of renting, just rent the land and buy your own house that you can take with you, because it's movable when you want to transfer in another place. If you don't like your neighborhood where you rent the land with, cancel the contract, go to another land, take the smart house with you. So this is an instant house that's really smart. That's why they call it smart house, that will not let you lose anything, because you can actually resell your unit or even take it with you. So
The videos there you can.
yes, because some of the rental houses or rental apartments here in Cebu right now, even in Manila, Iloilo, Davao, are now using the smart house, prefab house as their residence, as their rental properties, or even as their warehouse. So there is a lot of use for this smart house. That's why I call it instant housing in the Philippines.